Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out another best Dell laptops, which is the Dell Inspiron 11 Chromebook. We will see how it stacks up against similar and newer laptops in terms of quality, performance, design, and value for the price. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The Dell Inspiron 11 Chromebook looks very basic but is capable of multitasking while providing the user with ease of use at a quite reasonable price. While it seems that the makers aimed for durability than style, its build puts together lightweight and sturdiness. Featuring 11-inch 1366 by 768 IPS display on its HD screen, the device provided us with nice viewing angles. At the same time, we found out that the brightness is not up to the mark as the image quality got compromised outdoors. The Dell Chromebook is built on Intel Celeron 3865U and runs on 3.9 GHz clock speed. The 4 GB RAM and 128 GB HDD memory help you efficiently run the system for day-to-day browsing. It also has a 16 GB flash memory storage. It is aided with Intel HD Graphics 400 integrated card. After testing the device, we concluded that it is best suited for performing basic tasks in an impressive way. Complicated programs might not work in the best way in the Dell Inspiron 11 Chromebook. The webcam is good enough for personal use, although the color reproduction can be a bit disturbing. The battery life of the device says it lasted for 13 hours, implying that it might satisfy the user's needs for a day.
Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.